Welcome to Mechanical Engineering family. Today in this video I am going to show you an important properties of fluid, which is viscosity and its unit and kinematic viscosity. So what is viscosity? Viscosity is defined as the property of fluid which offers resistance to the movement of one layer of fluid over another adjacent layer of fluid. Let the two layers of fluids are moving at the different velocities. These are the two layers and this is velocity profile. Let velocity of this fluid is u and this u plus du, and they are moving at the distance dy, and this is y-axis, it shows the distance, and this is velocity. Let the velocity difference is du. This is the velocity difference of these two fluids. So we can write dy is the distance of the fluids and du is the change in velocity or the velocity difference of the fluids. And as there are some velocity difference, a shear stress will be produced here, and the shear stress is proportional to the rate of change of velocity with respect to y. Let the shear stress is tau and it is proportional to the rate of change of velocity, which is du, and with respect to y means the distance dy. Now taking a constant mu, we can write tau is equal to mu into du divided by dy, and mu is called coefficient of dynamic viscosity or viscosity. So from here we can write mu is equal to tau into dy divided by du. So this is dynamic viscosity or viscosity, and the symbol tau represents the shear stress. And this profile is known as velocity profile. Velocity profile. Now the unit of viscosity. From here mu is equal to tau into dy divided by du. Here tau is the shear stress, this is force per unit area, this is distance, so length, and this is velocity, so this is length per unit time, and force, that is Newton, and area, which is meter square. From here 1 divided by time, here Newton per meter square, and the time for second, so Newton second per meter square. This is the SI unit, and in C.G.S this is dyne second per semi square, and which is also known as poise. Now the kinematic viscosity. Kinematic viscosity is denoted by the symbol nu. It is the ratio of dynamic viscosity to the density of the fluid. There is the viscosity per unit density of the fluid. Simply, this is kinematic viscosity. So, this was the dynamic viscosity and kinematic viscosity. If you like this video, you can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more updates. Thank you for watching this video.